Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 24th, 2022. We're going to talk about Kyber Network today because I don't want you all to buy Kyber Network until you see this video. I'm going to give you all predictive content as to where I think the price in Kyber Network is going to go. I mean, you guys can already see in front of you that I did a price prediction in Kyber Network, and the day that I did the video, even before I uploaded the video to the channel, the market in Kyber Network started to fall massively, and it ended the day down 24.34%. Now, I did that video on September the 18th. Now, the video is still available on the channel, but I wanted to show you all how fast the cryptocurrency space can move if you guys don't act quickly, which is why it's very important to make sure that you are ahead of the competition. We need to be in position before these type of drastic moves occur. So if you guys want to join me, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Now let's go ahead and get rid of this. Pretty good call. I mean, it was real quick. I didn't even have time to even upload the video to the platform before the market in Kyber Network went down. So pretty good call, 14.39%. If it were to get out the market right now, you guys can see it's around 34.5% there. So let's cut that out the way. Now the first thing is we can already see it. The trend is broken. Like, we shouldn't be thinking that Kyber Network is a buy right now, all because of what we see right now. The market in Kyber Network broke the trend line. You see that? So this is not a currency that is trending higher anymore. That has now been broken. So we should not be bullish in the market in Kyber Network. I don't care what anyone says, because the price chart is saying to us, you shouldn't be bullish. So now the only outside thing that we can see occur into the market in Kyber Network outside of it going up is possibly seeing it hold some support. You see that, right? Just yesterday, the market in Kyber Network came back down to where it started its support right here, right there around $1.17 all the way back in July. So July the 13th, the market in Kyber Network has not been down here at $1.18. It's been trading higher. So from that time, we've seen the market in Kyber Network from the low of $1.18 hit the high right here on September the 11th of 79%. So this is the reason why you need to know when to get in and when to get out. If you would have got in here on July the 13th and got out towards the high of the bar, it's around 75-80% win rate right there. That's fantastic, because now in less than a couple of days, that has been dwindled to break even. So this is the best thing that we can see occurring to the market in Kyber Network right now, is simply the market continuing to hold this baseline. Okay, we need to see the buyers continue to hold this support area going forward. Now, this volume that came into the market in Kyber Network was massive. It was drastic. Like, once I zoom out, you guys can see that that volume has been very climactic, to the point to where I wouldn't even be surprised if the market in Kyber Network continues to trend lower. Okay. Now, the next area of support will take us towards $1.10, maybe $1.05. We can definitely see the market in Kyber Network run down to $1.10 to $1.05. Let me see. Okay, so let me go ahead and draw that line so we can get a visual depiction as to how we're going to look. Okay, so it's going to be, I'll say around $1.10 to $1.15. That's going to be the next area that we could possibly see the market in Kyber Network run down. Now, what happened here on this last completed 5-day price bar, we need to consider that. Like, we don't want to be oblivious and think that the market's going to hold bottom here, considering the amount of volume that came through, as well as this very wide spread. We need to consider where would be the next level of support, which I think is going to be around $1.15 to like $1.10. Okay, you guys can see right here, even on here on the weekly chart, very massive spread bar. This one weekly price bar has literally eliminated all of the work Kyber Network did to hold support at $1.18 and then lift all the way up to $2. Gone in 1 week. That's how fast prices can move down. It takes the market longer going up. It's like stair stepping your way up, but it's like an elevator on the way down. Keep that in mind. So here it is on a 3 weeks chart. You guys can even see here that this is something drastic as well. That 3 weekly price bar, you guys can see that the market in Kyber Network got rejected at $2. And it's been going on ever since this market started trading on Binance. You guys can see it right here. It got rejected twice, third time, fourth, fifth, and now sixth. So it's been like 6 to 7 times that this market in Kyber Network could not sustain price above $2. Scary times, right? So let's go ahead and look at this monthly chart. We got 6 more days and 11 hours left. And I will tell you right now, be prepared if the market in the next 6 days and 11 hours look like this. If this monthly price bar looks like this, then yeah, be prepared for the market to go lower. All right. So we got 6 days though. So let's not really be dependent on what we're noticing on the monthly chart. Okay. So now let me go ahead and do this real quick. I still suspect that the market weakness is present in Kyber Network, but obviously seeing already that the historical price action has shown us that buyers came in at $1.20 before. I'm not surprised that they're trying to hold the market there again, but we may actually see the market in Kyber Network try to go higher. Okay, so let's figure this out. Since we have already seen buyers come in and hold support at $1.18, how high do you think the market's going to go before we see more weakness and sellers come into the space? Let me show it to you. The first area is going to be here, where the market currently is getting rejected right now. The second area is going to be here. Okay. Bring it up just a little bit higher, right around there. That's the second area that price can run in Kyber Network. This is the third area. And this is the fourth. So we can see price in Kyber Network run up to these particular lines here and get rejected and come back down. We can see the market do this, get rejected now, come down. We can see the market run up to $1.25, begin to come down. We can see the market in Kyber Network run to $1.30, begin to come down. We can see it run up to $1.35 and begin to come down. So let me see this on a 5-hour chart, because it does look like the market in Kyber Network is going to try to trend higher. But this would just be a small opportunity for us to see that occur. Okay, because from my perspective, what occurred on September the 18th, it is still here. It's not gone. So yeah, we may see the market in Kyber Network begin to run higher. No higher than 145, I would suspect though. Okay. So let me go ahead and do this, because I'm still suspecting that the price in Kyber Network is going to continue to go down. Now, I think I said 115, $1.15 to $1.10 would be that first area. So you guys can see it's not even that far from where the price currently is. Only 9% movement to the downside to $1.10. For us to get $1.15, that's only 5%. So we're really not seeing too much of a drastic move to the downside. If anything, the best outcome is going to be for this market to hold $1.18. All right, so let me go ahead and put that there. In Kyber Network, I could tell off of the market action the last 3 to 4 days that buyers are definitely trying to hold this market at $1.18. So if you wanted to, you could possibly just sit and wait a couple more days to see if the buyers are going to still maintain that support at $1.18 to get more confirmation as to yes, they're going to continue to hold this market in Kyber Network at $1.18. So let me give you my 2 price targets. The first one is still going to be $1.18, like $1.17. We already can see historically that the market came and bounced off that area already. So let's not act like that can't happen again. So once the market moves back down to that particular level and test it, then yeah, we'll get out 4%. Second area is at $1.15, $1.15. That's 5.42%. And then the second area is at $1.10, which is 9.5% profitability. Okay. Let me go ahead and bring this down just a little bit to $1.35. I think that's going to be, you know what, and bring it up there, bring it up to 140. So it's about 15% loss as we continue to see the market in Kyber Network go up. Now, I'm here to tell you this now. From the beginning, like as of right now, I can see the market in Kyber Network going up. I can see that. But the only problem is how high. Okay, so I drew those horizontal lines already previously to see where the sellers could come back into the market in Kyber Network and begin to bring this price back down. Definitely look like it could be around $1.30 though. Okay, so keep your eyes open on that. So I'm done. Give me your thoughts. What do you all think? Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.